Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Ladies, it's humongous. Hello guys, this is your girl Judy back with another video. Here we are at Home Goods. I apologize for the music in the store. Once again, you know the deal. I have to put music because the store has super loud music, but here we are. Okay guys, we are here and so here we see some cute mugs packed to it with the pink inside and a quick magnet with the mustard yellow inside. If you have been following my channel, you know that I am looking for green, blue, yellow, pink mugs. I want to do something cute in my coffee bar for spring and for summer and Easter. So here I am searching for those. They have two pink jelly beans for $5.99. I did not get it because I already have light pink, so I'm going to do the one I already have in the decoration I am going for this year. So here in this recap, oh my god, they have this cute little happy spring egg in pink, $14.99. Easter egg hunt. They have another happy spring here. Happy Easter. Oh my god. $12.99. Guys. Cute happy Easter. How much is this going for? Oh, I don't want to break it. $16.99. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Ladies, it's humongous. And it's $19.99. Oh my god. So many good things. Okay, so I wanted to show you these blocks that are made like books and blessings. I love them. I haven't seen them before with this little read farmhouse read book, so I just wanted to show you this. Have the bunny trail sign over there. Happy Easter. He is risen. Okay, so a little off topic, they have these Mom's Kitchen for $9.99. These are door stoppers, $7.99. $19.99. Oh my god, I am so I just can't believe how many they are. Happy spring egg, pink happy spring, Easter egg hunt, $9.99. This is a super cute, very small. Okay guys, so here we are in another end cap. We are still in Home Goods and they have a couple of these honey bunny pink flower dispensers. They also have the Rae Dunn kitchen kit here for, you know, cakes and cupcakes and all that kind of stuff. um, for the ladies that like the baking, here it is. I love this green. I really love this green. I hope I find the mug in this color because it matches spring and Easter so much. Here is a hot to it spatula with I think a bunny cookie cutter. Yep, bunny cookie cutter, and these are going for $5. Yep, $4.99, $5, and they have them in so many colors. If you have been following me, you would have seen these in videos, a couple of videos back. And then these, I have not seen, so I wanted to show you the pink pot holder. There it is, pink pot holder, and another white spatula. These are super cute. I wanted to show you just because I have not seen them with the word lettering so big, and the carrot, the little birdie, the chick, and the bunny like this. I just wanted to show you that these are out there for $6.99. Very, very cute. Once again, for baking and cooking and all that stuff. Or you could just leave them out and decorate the kitchen with them. Okay guys, so we're in the clearance aisle, and I see this knot house for $6.50 with the little nest in the bottom. And then I see I see it's broken. Put it down here so I can see it better. Okay, so we are here in the toy section in Home Goods, and yep, this is just randomly here. Dog bowl, $5.99. Inspire Panda pencil, and this mama bird, baby bird, super cute. $14.99. I wonder why they're just randomly there. I guess someone changed their mind. The disposable hat, hip hop hooray for Easter. I used to love those, but I stopped using it because the top comes off and it's a little bit dangerous. We have something hot. Hippity hop. Hippity hop, hippity hop. Let's see what else we find here in this row, in this aisle. Okay guys, my first yellow rub-a-dub hand towels. Super cute for like a kid's bathroom or something. I don't know, I like them. It's cute. I would put this in a child's bathroom as decoration. Let's see what else I find. Ooh, my first gray item. Garbage, bathroom garbage. Let me see. Oh man, I put this in the bottom. Babe, can you check the price for me? Learn to roll with the punches. Wash your hands. And it's going for $24.99. And these signs says bathroom. Gotta be careful. Bathroom and $9.99. I don't know, but this is so heavy. What else? What else do we see? Okay, guys. So if you watched my video a couple videos back, you know about these. Be Happy, $39.99. Kind of small. You go up here, you have Blessed for $49.99. I like the shade on this one though. This one's more for like a kitchen. A beach theme living room. This one won't look bad if that's the case. And then the Bless with the square shade. What do you think? Hey guys, I'm definitely taking this one. Ooh, little chick, honey bunny, peep peep, chick magnet. Oh my god, so many. So many. Yes. Okay, I have to hurry up because I'm checking out. Oof. Okay guys, so we're at Home Goods Marshalls, and they have the pink hippity hop egg. There's another one down here. The Happy Easter is $14.99. They don't have much. Oh my god. And they have a huge $20 Happy Easter egg. And then there's another one up here. One smaller. Look at the sizes of these. Humongous. Okay, let's see what else we find. Okay, they have these with toppers, $9.99. Pinch Me, I'm Irish. They have two of those. Oh man, those are cute. That's it. Nothing else in this aisle. Only these two mugs right there. That's about it. Well, they have the humongous Be Mine hearts for $12.99. And these cute little paper sheets right here. And the 24 bin and lid for $5.99. Okay guys, so before we head out, I am here in the line and just wanted to show you this candle that's black with the gold XO, going for $19.99 with the wood top. And I also see this candle $14.99 with the heart topper. Not sure if I should get it. I prefer mugs. And I think that's it for now. Let's keep shopping.